Hey, my name is Melissa Horta and I'm the course assistantship for this class. Right now what I want to really show you guys is how some of the virtual environments that you're going to be programming feel like. Well, I can't actually show you what they feel like, but I can show you sort of what they look like. So if yours looks about the same, you can tell that you're doing the right thing. Let's start with the spring. Spring is one of the first environments you're going to be programming. And let's think about what a spring does, right? A spring opposes you trying to change its position. And so this HapKit right now I programmed it like a spring. And so when I push on it, it comes right back. Do you see it? And it comes back in a spring-like manner. If I push more on it, then it comes back faster because it accumulates energy, right? So push on it and comes back faster. So this is about what you should see when you program a spring. A damper is a little harder to show. I programmed this one like a damper, and then what it does, a damper opposes velocity. So it sort of makes it harder to move in an environment. If you try and move faster, it's even harder than if you just try and move slowly, right? If you have a low damping constant, then it's just like water, right? When you try and move your arm through water, you can sort of move it if you're just moving it slow. If you try and move faster, though, it becomes harder. And this sort of the same thing that's happening here. It's just a little harder to see. But see, if I move slowly, then I don't feel as much force. But if I try and move faster, then I feel more force. That one's a little harder to show. Let's see. And texture. I also have a texture here. A texture is really cool because you actually really feel like something else is happening. I know the HapKit transmission is smooth, right? It just slides through. But I programmed this as a texture, and so I can feel as if it was rugged, which is really, really cool. And you can also hear it. I'm gonna shut up for a second so that you guys can also hear. Do you hear it? It's going tick, 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 every time it goes through. And so I find it really cool. This one is actually my favorite. And lastly, we have the wall. What does a wall do? So the way we program a wall is on some range of motion, we just let the motor just run freely. And then suddenly you're going to hit a point where it's just not going to let you get past. And so this is what we see here. So here, I don't have anything and I can just move it freely. And then suddenly I get to a point where it just doesn't let me get past. Do you see it? The harder you make, so the stronger you make your constant for the wall, the stronger it's going to oppose you. Of course, our motors have limitations, and if you really smack it, you're going to get past it. But the idea is that you feel like it's opposing you right here. All right? And so these are our main virtual environments that we want you to start out with. Of course, you're welcome to come up with your own, and you can always ask me questions about it on your discussion board.